Hey, you guys remember that Yeezy order you made back in February? Well, it finally arrived. All right, they get everything in here. Oh, this is thick. The Yeezy Gosha Vulture pant. Okay. Looks like, man, it smells like paint thinner. The Yeezy Gosha 1 box tee. Yes, that's a box, all right. Actually, can we call this a t-shirt at this point when it doesn't really have the T-arms? And finally, here it is. Oh, hey, they come in a little baggie. These are the Yeezy pods. Now, I think I'm in a good size for where I got these, that you want them to be a little small so they fit right. And, oh boy. I mean, it's that kind of sock athletic you're expecting. Again, smells like paint thinner. Not sure if you really need to wear a sock with these, maybe. Cut to tomorrow when I actually try these on. So here I am with the full ensemble. The black box 1T in a size 1 is an interesting silhouette. The Vulture pants, also size 1, don't really fit particularly well. And of course the Yeezy pods. I went with a size 2. I'm usually a 10 to 11 in Adidas Yeezy stuff, so the size actually worked out pretty well. And I completed the look with the Yeezy Gap Balenciaga logo cap. Looks wise, what do you think? Is this suitable? Is it urban enough? Is the lack of pockets on the pants an issue? Because it probably should be, if we're being completely honest. And despite being a bit freighted looking at the bottom, actually held up pretty well to a wash. Despite the rather interesting drawstring which goes cross-body so that you can tighten it better, these ain't fitting on me. And I've been chugging a lot of Mountain Dew lately. I've got a bit of a gut at 153, and these don't fit. At best, we might be looking at pajamas. As for the Yeezy pods, these things present a serious problem. After just one wear and all I did was stand in front of a field, I noticed that these were fraying horrifically. These will not withhold a wash. You're probably not supposed to wash these like they're socks, but you probably can't actually take these on the street. You could be looking at $20 house shoes. And for that, you could actually get something better, like sandals from Rainbow. The Yeezy pods were not the most uncomfortable thing, but they do hit a little hard. The padding is just really not there. I did wear socks as recommended. Surprisingly, they're easy to get on. I'll give them that. But the dirty little secret with the Yeezy pods, these are being said to have been made in Italy. They are not. Mine say on the inside, not an easy to spot area, made in China. At $20, is this reasonable? Sure. I have a lot of nice stuff that actually comes from China. But I was told that these were made in Italy. They're not. I'm not upset about the box tee or the pants being made in the USA. $20 for American-made garments is an exceptional price. Do they fit well? Well, the shirt kind of does. The pants are rendered useless unless you're wearing them for sleeping attire because no pockets and a huge belly. But the shoes, if we are to call Yeezy pods shoes, $20 Chinese, it's kind of brilliant from Ye, in a way. Hear me out. So he's getting a small percentage from Adidas, who are making stuff that he's got other people designing and kind of putting his name to it, and then saying that he's behind the colorway. Okay, sure. You decided all black was a good idea. Hell, I can only get the Yeezy pods in all black. Can't get white ones. But you sell some other white merchandise. At $200, the Yeezy pods are grand theft and larceny. But for 20 bucks, maybe we need to reconsider a few things. $20 house shoes that are stylish, that a lot of the fashion houses are kind of having a go for. Hey, it's a look. They're not the most uncomfortable things. Maybe worn in the house, if you're mostly sitting down, you could probably deal with it. Do you want house shoes that require socks? Probably not. But at a $20 price point, changing it to made in China Are people really going to be that upset? Well, with the going to eat at Arby's and it costing $15, maybe it doesn't look like that bad of a deal, even if you feel like the construction material is not what you expected. So what do you think of this Yeezy drop? Let me know in the comments below. Did I at least help you in some way with the sizing, even though I am a bit of an anomaly being like 5'10", 153 and a beer belly at present? What do you expect next from Ye? And should I wear the box tee in future videos? I kind of like the shoulder pad look it gives.
Thank you for watching my son's YouTube station. It's not for everyone, but he tries. Maybe if you bought some merch below, he'll eventually get good at the YouTubing.